Here's another Cuban refugee boat. This one's a big sailboat. You can see the mast has been broken. Goes way out here. I heard that quite a few people were on this one. We'll get around to this side. You can see how they had repaired the mast. Mast is looking kind of funky. Look at all this stuff on board. Look at this painting on the back. Look at that. The tiller. It's got to be 35 feet or so. Bigger. Angel. Don't know what, some kind of symbolism. Christian symbolism on it. Look at this here. Boy, it's a beauty. It was sloop rigged. They had a sail here in front. What that mast, huge mast, and then it was repaired. I guess that's the boom right in here. Okay, got to pay attention to driving my boat. Yeah, we just tried to board it. Boy, got a lot of hand-hewed wood on it. Like the transom was handmade. I can get up close enough, you can see some of the wood, so very interesting. Oh. And that tiller's a long piece of hand, like a tree trunk. If we could get up and thinking about grabbing some pieces off of it for sculpture. Beautiful. Doesn't seem to have any kind of motor, so the group that came across from Cuba looked like they were just hoping the winds were blowing right and the current was getting in the right direction. It seems like this image on the bow is a conquistador. It's definitely Spanish. And the fact that it's on a horse. It's on a horse. So there's got to be something about some iconography here. Sort of ancient stuff. It looks like I can find some wood on here. I'm gonna have to come back with a saw. I hate to take anything off of it, but then again, it's just gonna be salvaged. But it's all wood. That hole, to build a hull like this, they don't do this anymore that I know of anyway. You have to have a specialty. And look at this, look at the painting here. I don't know what that's supposed to be. I imagine it's a woman, maybe a nimbus. But she's got something around her neck. Some gold thing. Beautiful. If I had a power saw, things would be easier. Just got a hand saw, so won't be able to take much. Probably a lot of work. This is some pretty tough wood, I imagine. And here's the salvage sticker. I'll be taking this thing away. It's going to take quite the crew to get it, though. We're looking at a pretty heavy boat. Tiller. Old iron hinges on it.